What's up everyone, Brett Canada here, Juice Feaster on all the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. Today we have a fun juice recipe for you in honor of TribestLife's month of August Raw Challenge. And today we're going to make a recipe that I feel like personifies the amazing abundance of fruits that we have available to us during the summer months. And that makes a great raw juice and one that I use as a raw meal, okay? So first off, we've got the watermelon, chock full of lycopene and antioxidants, those great colors that are really beneficial for our health. Then we've got a cucumber from my garden. This is chock full of minerals and silica, which is really great for our hair and nails and skin and hydration. Then we're going to throw in a little bit of acidity from a lime and make a recipe made in heaven. Let's get into it. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 cups of cubed watermelon, 1 large cucumber, and 1 lime. You can juice the rind on the watermelon, but I like the flavor so much better without it, so we're going to leave that off today. We're also using the Tribest Shine vertical cold press juicer. This is one of my favorite juicers for making quick juices or juicing soft fruits. It's quiet, compact, easy to clean, and also great as a travel juicer. You can find out more about this juicer by clicking the link in my bio or in the description box below. This juice recipe makes about 1 liter, which is the perfect size I find for a meal replacement. It's going to be about 400 calories. So pour through the strainer and there you go. So there you have it everyone, a great juice, a simple juice to make and experience the abundance of fruits that we have in the summertime, and also a great juice to use as a raw meal during the TribestLife August Raw Challenge. So get out there, enjoy those summertime fruits, and until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers. Oh, amazing.